these are the two products that I got. Newer doesn't even know that I exist, so they're just getting this marketing for free because I genuinely think these products are something that you guys need to know about. Opted to upgrade to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I was shooting all of my content on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Absolutely loved it, but there were a few things that I noticed that were holding me back from my content creation. And I think that these two products will definitely solve two of the biggest problems that I was having. I'm not sure if you're familiar with it. In the camera world, when people are using cameras, drones, everything, they always use these ND filters. And these are really good for when you're shooting outside and when it's really bright. Being that I'm going back to Saudi and it's sunny like 99.99% of the time, it's gonna help me capture really high quality outdoor content. I'm kind of a lazy content creator. I know the capabilities of a camera and a DSLR camera at that. And I know that you can get amazing cinematic stuff, but I'm just not there yet. So I'm working my way into it. And I appreciate people that shoot cinematic on their cameras because your content is everything that I could dream of. But we all start somewhere. A metal cage for my phone. I can't even open it. They're childproof. This is what it looks like. So it's an actual metal case and the top part flips open and then you slide your phone in so it protects it. Because we all know at some point when you're filming on your phone, it's gonna take a little tumble. So let's just get straight into it. Whoa, oh, this has a lot of pieces. Good thing it comes with instructions. Obviously, I can't fully record me putting it on my phone because I'm using my phone to record this, but, ooh, those are little rubber attachments. It's stuck to me. This is the phone case. It's rubber on the inside, and this is the part where you can pop out. And there's all these different spaces for attachments for mics, flashes, whatever you need. This is going to be your go-to. You can see the top part, it shows that it's locked. Now it's unlocked. And then what you do is you literally open it and then you slide your phone inside and then you clip it shut. With these back plates that have hooks on the back that actually hook in to the back of your phone case, and it gives mounts for you to use external lenses or to upgrade the lenses that you already have on your iPhone. These quick release hand grips. You have the hand grip, you push this down and it opens wide and you just boop, clip it on to your phone. So you can record with one hand grip or add the second, switch the grips to either hold it this way or you can hold it this way. And one of the coolest things about this grip in particular is it's not just a grip, it becomes a remote shutter. Take pictures or start recording. Once you're done, you just slide it back in and continue shooting. It comes with this Allen key so you can adjust the inside and then you can move the attachment up or down. So if you don't want to hold it at the very top like this, and if you prefer a middle grip, you can slide it along the arm to adjust to make it comfortable for you. And it goes back in via magnet. It comes with this attachment that you can attach onto the back of your phone, and this allows you to mount a regular camera ND filter or any other sort of filter that you want. But I upgraded straight away to this as I wanted something that was going to be easy, small to take with me, and a little bit more versatile. I do have an ND filter for my camera lens, but I'm not sure if it's the same size. It comes in a cute little carrying case. It opens up like an accordion, and it has a variety of ND filters in here. The filter ranges on the side of each one. It comes with this magnetic kick plate, which you open your cage for, and then it has little arrows, so you slide it down into place, and then you can see on the back that it is in place. You close your cage, lock it in place, and then all of these attach by magnets. So you instantly have your ND filter on your phone, and then to remove, you simply just lift it off, remove, and then you can easily swap it out for another one. And this is so convenient. And this attachment does not interfere with anything, but if you also need to remove the attachment, you simply unlock, pop up, remove, close, and you're back to your normal case. And it also comes with a diffuser, so depending on what your needs are, just on the go, incredibly easy. Of course, it comes with a little cleaning cloth so you can also clean your lenses before and after you use them. If you're interested in upgrading your gear, you can check the link in my bio and find everything linked there. Thank you guys for watching my little tech unboxing. I actually had so much fun doing this. Make sure you guys follow along and I'll share my thoughts on my cage and the ND filters, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. I hope you guys enjoy the new and exciting content that is to come. Thanks for watching.